Welcome to my luxury apartment home here in Vietnam, and as you can see, I love it right here. Okay, once an apartment has this kind of thing, this kind of lock in Nigeria, prepared to pay through your nose. Okay, this is the kitchen area. Yes, that's the bean. I already cooked. Yeah. I've got this. This is the key to the room. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So we have a kitchen situation going on here. Um, it's microwave and rice cooker. Yeah. Here are the utensils. There's nothing really going on here. Okay. Then right from the entrance, we have a situation going on here for wine and water. Okay. This place is actually empty, but you can keep your stuff here. You come in with wine, drinks, and all of this good stuff. And yeah, fun fact: I already drank this water, but I had to refill with the tap, but I had to refill with the tap water. The content was contextualized. So and I met this here, like a room slippers. I'm literally putting on one. Guys, I literally messed this place up a little bit because I've beaten twice since I came in. And here is the bathroom, toilets. Okay, you can see through the bathroom. Here is the tub. Yeah, so you can actually pull this down. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, so this is the whole situation going on in the bathroom. We have bath soap, body wash. We've got a shampoo, toothbrush, and soap here. Okay. Yeah, guys, I will show you this. We have seasoning, salt, and seasoning bouillon. Okay, and here is the room. I already messed up the room a little bit. Forgive me. And that is my YouTube video. If you haven't checked it out, kindly do so. Tiana, Christiana. Okay, so I love this heart thing going on here. I mean, the attention to details here. for that ridiculous amount of money. That unbelievable amount of money. Okay, here is the sitting area. Okay, here is the sitting area, and also we have another dining situation here going on. Yeah, so here is the balcony. Yes, so I so much love it here. You can sit here and have fun. If you want, you can see the apartment. It has like the city view. So if you want the apartment, it's gonna cost you a little bit more, like $1 each per day extra. So um yeah, here is the bedroom area, and we have this lamp thing. That's my glasses, by the way. I put on glasses. That's my phone there. You can actually put this on. Yeah, it's a beauty. See the beauty. Okay, this is absolutely beautiful. Okay, yeah, absolutely beautiful. Then we have the air conditioner here. We have a freezer, and they even kept ice inside it for me. Like, guys, the attention to details. They even kept in ice cubes here, and I absolutely love. Yeah, here is the refrigerator side. So, guys, we've got this. I came in with my coiler to test hairs. Just so you know, I'm here to shop for luxury hairs, and if you want to tour these factories with me virtually, now is the time. Okay, guys, a box in here and some other stuff. Guys, you will not believe I literally checked in some Nigerian food. Okay, I literally do not have the courage to try every other continent food. Okay, but I will give you Vietnamese food a try. Yeah, so this is the bed area. This was literally two. I messed this whole area up already. This was two initially. I used one. This is a face towel. This is a face towel. When I say attention to details, these people have got it for this small amount of money. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we have lamp over there. So guys, this is basically it for that's my bag. This is basically it for $20 per night. This is absolutely beautiful and luxurious. I never expected this, and I can tell you for the fact that, you can never get this kind of apartment in Lagos or anywhere in Nigeria for 16,000 naira. Like, it's not possible. How are you gonna do it? Okay. So guys, just so you know, this is a city. Imagine what it would be like in places like Sapa, like other cities that aren't the state capital. And right now, I have to go. This is all I want to show you guys. I have to go now to go meet my suppliers. I'm here to source for the best human hairs. So if you interested in laying your hands on a very good human hair supplier here in Vietnam. Now is the time. The link to actually register for the link to actually get registered for a virtual tour with me, where I'll be showing you every good stuff about Vietnamese hair, showing you good factories you can actually work with that won't disappoint you anywhere you are in the world, showing you factories that won't disappoint you anywhere you are in the world, and all of those good stuff. The link to get registered will be down in the description box of this video. And just like I said, I have to go now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.